Grab your MyView literacy book and your writing notebook. Go ahead and open up your writing notebook to the writing that you finished yesterday. And then open up your MyView literacy book to page 234 and 235. Share. There are many ways to present or share results. Make sure you use a way that is appropriate. Now, choose a way to present your text and drawing. You can read your text aloud. You can display your work for others to read. You can show a video of a folk tale with your writing. Reflect. Complete the sentences. One thing I like about my drawing is, so let me show you my paper. Here's my writing. It's completely done. I have my draft on this page with all my edits, and then my finished paper here. I used my best handwriting. I made sure I copied it over the way I wanted it corrected, and that I used every other line, and I did my best work. Then I have my picture over here. That way you can see them at the same time. Alright, one thing I like about my drawing is I like that I added footprints in the snow, so that way you can tell that this is snow here. I used brown for the anthill, and then I had some dirt on the ground too, and then I had snow for the rest of it, so I did footprints so you could tell that it had snow. I also liked my fireplace, and I added yellow inside the house so it would be warmer. One thing I like about my drawing is the footprints in the snow. You're going to write about your own drawing. In the snow. One thing I learned about folk tales is that they all have a lesson. Folk tales all have a lesson or moral. Okay. Now I need to select what I think is best to display my paper. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a picture of your picture and your writing. You could take one picture of both of them if you have them on one page like I do, or you could take a picture of this and a picture of this and put them together on one page, but I want a picture of each of them. Then you can, on page 2, decide how you want to present them. You could push the record button on Seesaw and you could read it out loud. You could take a video of yourself reading them and then upload that. You could just take the pictures and leave that on Seesaw. You could find a video of your favorite folktale on YouTube and upload a link, so that way after I read your paper and look at your picture, I can watch a video about it. So however you want to present it. I'll have my example on there too to give you some ideas. Then let's go on to page 235. Look back at your unit goals. Use a different color to rate yourself again. So let's go back to our unit goals. I think that was at the very beginning. I can read traditional stories. Yes. I can make and use words to read and write about imagination. Yes. I can write poetry. We did that. Yes. And I understand how we use our imaginations. Yes, we read lots of things telling us different ways to use your imagination. The text from this unit that I would read again is, I like the ant and the grasshopper. The ant and the grasshopper. Oh, I don't have enough room. Grasshopper. Period. One thing I like about writing poetry is making rhyming words. Now these are your own reflections, so you might have completely different answers than I do. But it's okay if they're the same, and it's okay if they're different. Then go ahead and turn the page. Page 236 and 237, this is a picture dictionary. How to use a picture dictionary. You can use a picture dictionary to find words. The words are grouped into topics. The topic of this picture dictionary is actions. I can see that because it's in the title right here. Look at the pictures and try to read the words. The pictures will help you understand the meanings of the words. So this first one, it says this is a picture of the word. We have a cookie running, and here's the word. This is the word you are learning, run. I can see that he is running in the picture because there's cookie pieces falling off and his legs are off the ground. Find the word pull in the picture dictionary and use the picture to tell what the word means. So let's see if we can find the word pull. It's spelled P-U-L-L, so I have hide, carry, pull. Oh, here it is. Found it. All right, use the picture to help me figure out what this means. Well, I can see that they're all holding on to this turnip, and it looks like they're leaning back and it's kind of coming towards them, so I think they're pulling on the turnip like they're trying to get it out. They grabbed it and they're just tugging on it. Let's see, we have hide, we have Red Riding Hood hiding from the wolf. Carry, we have the pig carrying bricks. Bake, we have the little red hen baking bread. Climb, we have Jack climbing the beanstalk. Eat, we have Goldilocks eating porridge. And sing, we have all these animals singing. Go ahead and turn the page. This is a glossary. How to use a glossary. A glossary can help you find the meanings of words that you do not know. The words in a glossary are in alphabetical or ABC order. Guide words at the top of the pages can help you find words. They are the first and last words on the page. So this says draw. When you draw, you make a picture with a writing tool. It's under D for draw because that's the first letter in draw. All words that begin with letter D will be after the D. The word is in dark type, so they used it in a sentence, and so they had the word in dark so you could recognize that it's the same word. This sentence will help you understand what the word means. So this sentence tells you the meaning of the word. Find the word surprised in the glossary. Draw a picture to help you understand what the word means. So you have a glossary. At the top of this page, here are your guide words right here. It says the first word is angry and the last word is create. Let's find out. Here's our first word, angry. It's under A. And our last word, right here, create. Starts with C. So we have A, B, C. We're looking for surprised, which will be under S because it starts with an S. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Oh, there's no J. There's no K, but there is an L. Sometimes in glossaries it skips words that it doesn't need. Look at all the D words. Decorate, doodle, draw. There's even a picture. P, Q, R, S. Oh, here's S. Surprised. Found it. When you are surprised, you are having the feeling that people get when something unexpected happened. All right, what were our directions? Find the word surprised in the glossary. Draw a picture to help you understand what the word means. So surprised, when you are having the feeling that people get when something unexpected happens. So let's see, I'm gonna have something unexpected. I'm gonna draw a person. It's gonna be a stick person, and he's holding a present. Yay, a present. Okay, and he's gonna be smiling, and he needs hair. There we go. Here's my stick person holding a present. Okay, and then I need to draw my surprised person, so I'm going to draw another stick person. And his arms are going to be in the air because he's surprised, and he is smiling really, really big, and his mouth is open because he's yelling, yay, because he got surprised with a present. Yay! Okay, surprised. So that's how you use the glossary. Now that we've finished this book, you can go through and redo any of the pages that we haven't done just for extra practice. There's spelling pages, there are extra stories in there we didn't read yet. Lots of extra things for you to practice. See you next time.